What do you think a personal brand is?
Brand that's personal to you.
What's a personal brand? How you, I guess, present yourself and what you are to the public, kind of, right?
It's the personification of yourself online and what you represent and what either you stand for or your company brand stands for, and what the message you want to push out to other people is.
On Instagram, we see all these model moms with their babies, and that's just not real life. I would rather personal brand be super authentic. That's how you connect. That's how you connect with real people.
Personal brand, I think, is whatever you want. It's who you really are, or who you want people to think you are.
In today's fast-paced digital marketing age, your personal brand is absolutely just as important as an organization's brand. You have all these social media platforms, and we're all connecting with thousands of people all over the world on a global level. Are you representing the genuine and authentic you? Who you are and how you want to be perceived depends on you. But now you're able to connect with people on a new level, due to these social platforms. Everywhere you go, it represents who you are, your voice, and the way you want to build relationships. Your personal brand is everything, and I highly recommend you start building it today.
Are you currently building your personal brand?
Absolutely, and if you're not, you're losing.
Are you doing anything to build your personal brand right now?
Nope. I should though.
I mostly post on Instagram. Not that much, but I'm doing something.
I mean, yeah, I build my personal brand on social media, but it's not very planned content. It's pretty much on the fly, or it's what is pulling at my heartstrings at the time, a quote.
Digitally, not so much. I'm building it more face-to-face. So yes, I'm building my personal brand, but if you don't see me in person, I'm not building it with you personally. Don't take offense.